Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how I make this delicious grilled chicken. Okay, first of all, I have my chicken already washed, and also I blended some spices, which is garlic and ginger, and the rest I will mix everything under the video description. Okay guys, so after blending my spices, I have to make sure that I'll mix it very well so that it will go all the angles. I have to make sure that I coated the spices very well with the chicken. You understand? Yes. This is so spicy, very delicious. Oh, I forgot. I didn't mention. I also added some chili. Yeah. Okay, here you need to cover it for the next day, or 45 minutes is also fine. Okay, after the next day, the chicken is ready to go inside the oven. This video is very short, guys. I think it's 2 minutes something. Yeah, so just watch it. If you like the recipe, please give me a comment and let me know. Okay, I want to grease my pan a little bit. Even though the chicken already has some oil, I still needed to do this. So you can just go ahead and bake it straight, or you can also do it as I'm doing it right now. Okay, here I have to lay all the chicken one by one, so all the chicken can go inside the pan. My pan is not that big, but at least it's okay. And I'm making sure to add all the sauces so that the chicken will be very tasty and nice. Okay guys, if you are new here, please share my video and subscribe. Video now subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. My grilled chicken is well prepared and done. You can also try it and let me know. Bye.